Hey developers, Standard Chartered is hiring for the development engineer role and the work location is Chennai and this job is recently posted. Talking about the required qualifications and education, BTech in CS or related field you can apply for this role and the required certifications in programming languages like Java and other certifications like Kubernetes and cloud. If you have certification in clouds, it's also good. And the required languages like Java, Quarkus, Spring, SQL, Python. These are the requirements for this role and knowledge of Java, Python and DevOps, Kubernetes, etc. Here is the skills and experience required like expertise in RDBMS and NoSQL, Kafka, Apache, SOAP, REST, gRPC, web services. These are the basic requirements for this role and here is the job summary. You can read more here. Now move to the next hiring by the Netcore for the backend development role. This is a hiring challenge where you have to give tests between 17th of October, which is already started, and the closest date is November 2. So you have to give tests between these dates and duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. Talking about the required education and skills, years of experience 0 to 7 years of experience. Means if you have skills in DS, data structures and algorithms, programming knowledge in Python, Java, Golang, you can apply for this hiring challenge. Talking about the challenge format, round 1 is 3 basic programming questions, duration 2 hours 50 minutes. Required programming language is Python, Java and Golang. And here is the date, you already know about it. And the work location is Mumbai. And here is the nice to have skills like Kubernetes, container orchestration, experience required means DevOps, experience with Elasticsearch means cloud services. These are all cloud services. Familiarity with email delivery protocols and mail transfer agents. So these are the requirements. You can read more here like sample challenges, programming challenges. Means you can take samples and details about this hiring challenge. Now move to the next hiring by the AutoRabbit for the performance tester role and the hiring is for the freshers role. Work location is Hyderabad. And talking about the education requirement, Bachelor of Technology means BTech is required and the compensation is also given 6 LPA. Talking about the required skills, performance testing tools like JMeter, familiarity with AWS, Docker, Kubernetes and Apache Tomcat, understanding of databases, monitoring and profiling, awareness of Elastic, APM, JVM, profiling and system resource monitoring, and Java, Python and Shell scripting language required. Other and good to have skills like Selenium with Java, TestNG, REST Assured, Postman, API testing. These are the requirements for this hiring. So here is the form, fill it and apply now. So in this video, all job links below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skillr for more updates.